Tava kuita question number 3 pahomework yataiita on secular measure. Question iyi yatorwa from a Cambridge paper 1 pure mathematics paper written in November 1996. Question iyi inoti, in a diagram, OAB is a sector of a circle with center O and radius r centimeters. The point A is the midpoint of OQ and angle OQB is equal to 2 theta. OBQ is equal to half pi plus theta. By using the sine rule, show that sine theta is equal to 1/4, that is 1/4. Zvatiri kuda kutanga kuita panapa ndezvekuti tiruda kuita a recall. So in our recall toda kudiscussa the sine rule. So our sine rule panapa manje, let us put a triangle. Triangle yedu ngatiti yakadai so. This is our triangle. Saka mukati muno tina angle A, then a corresponding length to A, the small letter A panapa. Then muno kana tine angle B, this line will be B. Riri kuita correspond with this angle which is B. Kana angle E iri C, this side is going to be C. So generally speaking, the sine rule states that A, which is side renoiri, over the sine of the included angle A is equal to B, this side, over the sine of the included angle B, which is equal to C, this side, over the sine of the including angle C. Saka chakakosha apa manje correspondence. Correspondence iri pakuti angle yedu BE, this included angle, and iri kurelate with a corresponding side, kana kuti rather an opposite side. Saka this B is opposite to this angle B. C ino E iri opposite to this angle C, and A is opposite to this angle A. So this is the summary of the sine rule. If you do not understand what I've just explained, that means you need to revisit your O-level mathematics, New General Mathematics Book 3 or New General Mathematics Book 4, then look up the topic trigonometry, wotarisa section discuss the sine rule, and revisit and revise that section. Otherwise, I'm going to assume could we all understand the sine rule, and we are going to proceed from here. Tikatarisa question yedu iri kuti, by using the sine rule, show that sine theta is equal to 1/4. So zvatinoda kutanga kuita ndezvekuti tinoda kuita reproduce this triangle. Color coding lesson redu zvatichanyora in white ndo zvatichapresenta as our solution kana kuti as our answer. Zvatinonyora in any other color, ma-demonstrations kana kuti ma-illustrations anoita feed into solution yedu. Saka panapa I'm now going to use white. Tikaita reproduce this triangle, we do have B panapa, panapa tina O, panapa tina Q, then this side, and taudzwa kuti panapa ndi R. Saka handisi kuzoisa this sector iri mukati umu, because kana tichiita sine rule we are going to be dealing specifically with the triangle. But before we go there, I need to say something here. Kuti sine rule ino apply kana tine a non-right angled triangle. A non-right angled triangle. That is when the sine rule is going to apply. Saka tikatasa triangle yedu, we are going to see kuti it's actually a non-right angled triangle. That being said, hatisi kuda kuisa sector mukati umu, toda ngoita single out triangle. Taudzwa isusu kuti this angle, it's actually, this angle, it's pi/2, kana kuti half of pi/2 plus theta. Taudzwa zvakare kuti angle inoi ndi 2 theta. And side iri which is OB taudza kuti ndi-R. But tikatarisa panapa tine statement iri riri kuti the point A is the midpoint of OQ and angle OQB is equal to 2 theta. Saka point A inoi imidpoint ya OQ. Kubva pana O kusvika pana A tina R. Kubva pana A kusvika pana Q tina R. Kureva kuti summatively kubva pana O kusvika pana Q tina R plus R, which gives us 2R. Saka zvataita panapa taita single out triangle yega, since tiri kushandisa the sine rule to prove that sine theta is equal to a quarter. Actually, vaita nyasha this question. Cambridge yakaita tsitsi dzakawandisa this question, because yaigona nguya yakati show that sine theta is equals to 1/4. That thinking yekuti maybe we should apply the sine rule, it wouldn't occur to many of us, and the question yezova a ton more difficult than it is now. So tadaro, let us apply the sine rule to this. Saka triangle yedu itava nayo toda kuapply this sine rule. Tiri panapa, we are going to take note tikada kunyora a generalized expression of the sine rule relative to triangle yatiinayo. Kureva kuti tikada kuapply sine rule pa triangle yatiinayo, tichaona isusu kuti side OB over the sine of OQB, and saka side OB ndi OB over the sine of this angle iri opposite this side, which is what OQB is going to be equal to side OQ over angle iri opposite OQ, which is actually the sine of OBQ. Saka this is the sine rule as applied to this triangle. Tadaro manje takudai so. What is OB? OB ndi R, so it's R over what is the sine of OQB? The sine of OQB anenge R sine of what? The sine of 2 theta, because OQB, this angle, is actually 2 theta. So R over sine 2 theta is going to be equal to, what is OQ? OQ ndi 2R over what is the sine of OBQ? Saka, this is sine of, what is OBQ? OBQ is actually pi over 2 plus theta. I'm sure maona kuti in our question tapiwa iri half of pi plus theta, of which half of pi plus theta ndo yataita rewrite as theta over 2 plus, rather half of pi plus theta ndiyo yataita rewrite as pi over 2 plus theta. Alright, tadai so manje ndakuda kumbotora a detour. I think this point ndo ino answer question yedu. Saka detour yandoda kutora panapa ndeyekuti ngatiti tine a fraction a over b. This is the fraction we have, a over b. So a over b tiri kuti iri equal to chi? Panapa tivatati 2a over maybe c. And saka muri kuona here zvaitika kuma numerators edu. Numerator yedu ino e yamultiplyiwa na 2 kuti ive chi? Ive 2a. Zvazvinoreva ndezvekuti our denominator again should be multiplied by 2 kuti izova equal to c. Saka kana tikada kuziva relationship iri pakati pa a na 2a, it's obvious, it's times 2. Relationship iri pakati pa b na c, which are our denominators, tinenge tichiti isusu b and inenge iri equal to what? To half of c. But b is equal to half of c on what grounds? Because 2b is equal to c. I'm feeling good I have confused you here, so let me try to explain in simpler terms. Tikada kuapply zvandazama kuita generalize apo in our equation there. Tiri kuona isusu kuti r unoyu, which is the numerator. Remember, numerator kana mafractions are equal, and kana mafractions are equal, zvoreva kuti manumerators anenge ari separately equal, madenominators are equal again. So r and iri kunzi iri equal to 2r, but effect yaitika panapa ndeyekuti tamultiplya r nani na2. So r akamultiplyiwa na2 ndokuti azova 2r. In the same law, using the same principle, sin 2 theta ari kumultiplyiwa na2 kuti azotipa chi sin pi over 2 plus theta. This then consequentially means kuti sin 2 theta iyi inenge iri equal to half of sin pi over 2 plus theta, zvichibva parelationship yatiri kuwana kana takatarisa manumerators edu. Saka tikatarisa apapa, we are going to safely conclude kuti sin 2 theta is equal to 1/2 of sin pi over 2 plus theta. I'm still not understand this part. Please tell me. I will try to explain it in a better way. But I think explanation yangu serves the purpose of you understanding, because relationship yatatarisa pama fractions edu chichaitwa kuma numerators edu kaona kuti we have a conversion factor of 2 ndo yatazoapply hapo. Saka sin 2 theta inenge iri equal to half of sin pi over 2 plus theta. Alright, that being said, panapa zvatinenge takuita ndezvekuti takuda kuapply matrig identities. Kana tiri kuadvanced level mathematics, there is no need yekuclaima matrig identities, because anenge akanyorwa paformula booklet ratinopiwa patinopinda muexamination. So chaunofanira kungogona ndechekuti kushandisa the booklet, kuziva kuti chinhu chinowanikwa papi. Saka tikaenda kubooklet redu, so this is going to be our booklet, tichaona anonzi madouble identities. Saka madouble identities anoti iwo kana tiina sin of 2a inenge iri equal to 2 sin a cos a. This is the double identity. Sin of 2a iri equal to 2 sin a cos a. Saka ndo yatoda kuapply ku left hand side kwedu kuna sin 2 theta. Tikaapply this trig identity ichabuda yakadai so. Saka ku left kwedu, left hand side, tinenge takuinyora isusu, instead of sin 2 theta tinenge takuinyora yakati iyo 2 sin theta cos theta. This is equal to 1/2 of what? Tiri apa manje tikuona kuti we have sin of pi over 2 plus theta. We also have another trig identity racha apply panapa. So this is going to be the trig identity we apply. Trig identity A rinenge riri identity run sin of A plus B. So sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the trig identity we are going to apply. So tikaapply pamusoro panapa tinenge takuti isusu this is going to be half of sin pi over 2 cos theta plus cos pi over 2 sin theta. Ndo zvazvaita. Saka mchida kunzwisa kuti tamboapply sei panapa, chamufanira kuziva ndechekuti tareplace in terms of the left hand side, tareplace a na theta. Ndosaka tina 2 sin theta cos theta. Then in terms of the right hand side, tareplace a na pi over 2 yokureplace b na theta. To end with, of course, we know how to substitute. We are in advanced level, by the way. Sin of pi over 2 cos theta plus cos of pi over 2 sin theta. So let us solve this. To solve this, kuno kuti changoti 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to that half of. Then takuda kuziva isusu kuti sin of pi over 2 iri equal to chi. Saka we are going to be using a calculator. But remember, the calculator yedu should be kuma radians. not kuma-degrees or kuma-gradients. Saka panapa tikaenda mucalculator medu tikaenda sin pi over 2, we are going to discover that sin pi over 2 is equal to 1. So panapa tana 1 multiplying chi cos theta toti plus cos of pi over 2 mucalculator medu ndi 0, so we have 0 multiplying sin theta. Okay, saka kunoku tinani tina 2 sin theta cos theta, which is equal to 1/2 of 1 times cos theta, of course ndi cos theta, and any number multiplying 0 ndi 0, saka panapa tangosara tina cos theta. Yaizota cos theta plus 0, but it's unnecessary kuzinyora zvakadaro. Zvakadaro manje takuti isusu 2 sin theta cos theta iri equal to half of what? Of cos theta. Saka 2 inoi togona kushandisa cross multiplication, or rather tinogona multiply the right hand side na 2 to multiply the left hand side na 2. Saka ma2 aya kukanzelana, then 2 times 2 ndi 4. Saka kunokutana 4 sin theta cos theta iri equal to 1 times cos theta, of course ndiani ndi cos theta. Patikatarisa panapa tinoona kuti question yedu yati tinofanirwa kuprova kuti sin theta iri equal to 1 over 4. Saka tofanirwa kusara tina sin theta kunoku. So to remove cos theta, we are going to divide both sides na cos theta. Saka cos theta iyi cheta cancel out this cos theta, then cos theta into cos theta ndiani ndi 1. Saka panapa tasara tina 4 sin theta is equal to 1, of which kuti sare tina sin theta, we divide both sides na 4. Saka ya ma4 akakanzelana, sin theta iri equal to 1/4. This is our final answer and it's shown. So ndo maitiro atinoita. Tikadzokera question kwedu tinoona kuti yakati iyo, by using the sign rule, show that sin theta is equals to 1 over 4. Saka tashandisa sign rule kuti tione kuti sin theta iri equal to 1/4. But tiri ipapo manje, I'm really worried with this step. Maunderstanda here relationship iri apa. Saka kana musina kuunderstanda relationship iri apo, just make me know and I'll create a video specifically explaining zvaitika apo, because apo ndo pane key yaita unlock the solution to this question. So this is going to be our answer to the question. We have shown using the sign rule that sin theta is equals to 1/4. If you have any questions, you can use the comments section, or rather contact me directly and I'll try to help you to the best of my ability. Otherwise, thank you for your attendance and take care.